Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to download a PDF using your Android device. So in order for you to do that, you just simply need to go to Google Chrome, and then let's say for example, you want to download a book, a PDF ebook, let's say University Physics. So if you want to download the PDF copy of this book, you just need to write PDF at the last sentence of your of the book that you want to download. So like this, and then as you can see, in order for you to identify whether it's a PDF that you're going to download, there is a PDF portion here. It states PDF, a box, small box with PDF sign. It means that once you click that, you're going to download the PDF copy of that book. So just click it, and then it will automatically go to download portion. Okay, once the download is already done, you may now open it, and this is not the ebook, the PDF copy of the book that you want to download.